Bibi any one, I see there's no smoke without fire. Bibi any one more. And there's a saying to say there's nothing that has name. It doesn't exist.
Bibi Odimbia.
Oh. Yes. And it say Oma Kabibi sa. Bibi say when we were in elementary school in the 70s, late 60s, the 70s, no cry. Now, you cry as school for you to be teacher for you be cry any a man be cry a baby.
Yeah.
Sir. Na yeka. As pupils, elementary school near the cry.
Na mo can say na mo can.
That's right. Now the unfortunate.
Na nkolang take the money am the suspect way.
Oh, in fact, your time na e kakra. Near Niagara, 14, 15, 16. Near Niagara.
And I still a much because I to the
now, Unim, dear Yawo, who say at the time, no, as someone baby can mean car and fan kai ubi out, but a man and a woman yard, brilliant girls now, one more class, no, a woman and I suspect to say woman, a teacher for me,
yeah,
woman brilliant, no.
Because the thought those days was that Obadi won't even more than
that's right. But I think it was very wrong at the time. Very, very wrong. It been mukra, I mean, any woman, we and see no one teacher from penny for near day. I actually say at the time, no performance was not through that. I mean, Castle Collage, but a perception beer, now you're dear Nantis, so they say. But the woman's woman be investigation be one. I just want them. Say one by ya, and quack ye. Adia, you go to a video, no be my commentary, it should be yen pese, yes, obi, every child be photo. Now, but say, obi name commentary, if there's any discourse, video, no, the discussion between the student and the lecturer. Now, because I bear too many. Ewo Ghana hanom obi gwakwa kocho obi photo obi na obi discuss obi za na ono de ono no o plan ye obo ni pause okwakọ ye ade no na ono ma commentary ewo achi the air course between ono odi sika na ma nipa no ene wo ma odi sika no untie no but the commentary over the picture no eno ene ye carry ene ye the news. I am not by this saying say ebi see that and I say the woman can intimate see anything I made premise me be by saying say be a wodi e wo wiase no e wo saman you can say saman the fact say wodi no because Jesus Christ in the kind say there's nothing that has name exist in the wo no it woman nya kan de na e bibia dey e wo ho no na enso caution na me man say nipa integrity wo we and check there only one day, let's say, Obia integrity was built over years. And until so almost see more videos near the Omabina. Me, my caution, my only caution is that I don't want to have, see a video, discussion, air course, air commentary. Not a discussion between the accused and the, the victim. No. We want to see, we want to hear if indeed there's something going on. Yeah, I mean, Ghana for Ohubia or demand BB for favors and BB.
Should we be worried? Because so much that University of Ghana, in fact,
course, yes.
So we call social media,
yes,
and for very good reasons. Because it been more started with lecturers in the and members but I can say Dr. So and so plus other UG lecturers go make hot today. Judgment Day and now the pictures still pictures abba but I say or the conversation been reproduced has say or say switch off the lights, lock the door, so and so I has say hashtag BBC Africa I hashtag search for grades and
American say I don't doubt all that they are saying but me say you're very careful because switch on the light, whatever near the it can be enacted. We want to see a video, lecturer, no, and I say victim no and I can say oh dum kania no na ko ye say na ko ye nyese obi e wa chire e na obe man commentary so dey ase say dey be gu oni bi ma say na make say sometimes no students na nkasa no kra no sometimes because say a man no outperform woman bebre wo hodo mu a wo suspect say we kra dey here then say but you see me ma chira dey university and na me ne friends say ma chira ma dey some of a man no woman ye brilliant they are so dedicated though a few women so no woman fa woman editua no
just like a man
so so the make say now honestly speaking my the number of years I'm actually there nyina no there hasn't been an occasion my supervisor student or bar I went to me and run the project that but I can give you numbers of a member woman fa woman serious woman to me and woman to me not because obi na esi wo mkwan but time obetra se abia call lab akwakoye atra se atro ne report ni ade no nam ofra ho no say Vienna city ni wenum ni ade because those owo final year no owo America kra no nam ho no nam ebinu kra de car wo mko ni because bon anything no all say those days no to come no traffic no near too much say anything no anajo say askwa ho no nyina no de ho emu da ho nti wo mu cars na speed ni ade no mdi nanam emma bi mu kura won tumi nwie anything no say school for no na wo mu kan sometimes na suspicion kwa that is not to say be animu but wo mu evidence there me person me can say I don't want me person me bo me cite example of ebia atwam obeti say si obi gi bribe nenso no ono de unti say okasa but obi ewachiri na say and we want to hear a discourse a course between the giver and the taker otherwise mama say obi adin yes be very careful
mama can we say we a post me fan or my joy online na part of the story no say the media corporation collaborated with journalists across West Africa for this investigation. According to Joy News sources, one of Ghana's premier universities, the University of Ghana, will be hard hit in this documentary. Two or three professors are implicated in the investigations. Posting the trailer of the documentary on their Twitter page, BBC Africa Eye in the trailer said, university lecturers and professors who sexually harass your students, Africa Eye has been watching you.
Very well. And
question back when we decided to say, yeah, investigation, no, yeah, in Fankoma University authorities to take action.
No.
But we are rather going to show it to the world.
No, not at all. You see, there are a lot of implications. Because you see, they should look at the effect on the victim, so whether through consent and I say say the person was forced under duress and I say BBC and the implications. For all you know, no, while progress I could do baby. Ebia or occupy some very responsible position being here. Now could you name at the bank, so I don't see another problem. Until they must weigh all the options. And it's the all kind of say school on because university, pay the statutes near
my men kind man for being so a message somewhere about towards sideways. So say in this world you only become who and what you want to believe in, and lecturers who do this target specific students. Now, ladies who want to be treated as such earn it. I believe some university students in the UK have become porn stars, and where are their documentaries? They always want to paint Africa
Thank you.
as a land of doom and calamity.
Thank you.
But homosexuality and other satanic occultic acts come from outside Africa. They've stolen our value assets and used them to build their countries, but keep on negatively presented us to the world. Hypocrisy. God will, what they are so. Africa doesn't deserve this. Fix your own problems. We are now, or they be so as so. This one said that you are yet to see the video, but you already have a prejudiced mind against the victims of this nefarious activity. But you are wrong. There are definitely some students who consent to sex for various reasons, some economic, others for grace. But there are many others who are innocent victims to private lecturers who act whatever no I trust what I say. And san beba krana enya ma no amanfo ahase a say nkomona na omo edia omo edi.
Take a quick one. There is one thing, there's a view I hold. I can say today. Baby, I do no. Ewo ya sitremu wi asim sisi ya no. Ye ni morally no. Ye ni bibia ye biti men suenfi the so called Bruni Krum advanced countries no. Ye ni bibia ye be suenfi wo mo nchen. Because morally no omuntimi compare wo mo to us. Because the course wo mo krum no ano odin the course wo ha no. Anything no omu solve one problem did. The nipa na subscribe seriously to what them the last person no ekaya no omu yi spec na wo menim so first because omu problem the doors no in terms of morality